So let's say you got a new car. It doesn't have to be brand new, but it's new for you. And you pop the hood and you're admiring the fine piece of machinery you just purchased. You're looking at the intake and there's these weird chambers of plastic on the intake. What are auto manufacturers hiding in there? They are actually hiding something in there, but if you were to try to open it up, you wouldn't find anything in there. They're just that sneaky. What you're looking at is a Helmholtz resonator. It's designed to dampen sound. Sound being the thing that they're hiding in there. I know, that was a bit of a stretch, but this is a video about a plastic box. Let me spice it up a little. Hermann von Helmholtz designed the first Helmholtz resonator back in the 1850s. A Helmholtz resonator can be tuned to dampen or amplify sounds at a specific frequency. This means that automotive manufacturers can use them to dampen sounds that are unappealing that any of their particular engines happen to make. And while aftermarket air intakes have typically been louder than their stock counterparts, nowadays, because of these Helmholtz resonators being present, switching over to an aftermarket intake really ramps up the sound quite a bit. You may also notice that aftermarket performance intakes typically don't have these resonators on them. Most people buying a new car want a calm, quiet tone coming from their engine. On the other hand, people buying a performance aftermarket intake are looking to get a little more power out of their engine and want it to sound the part too. Aftermarket air intakes are a whole nother can of worms that we can get into in another video. But until then, I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video. Thanks for watching.